PlayStation VR's future. Let me say flat out, I can't predict the future, nor can I claim that I'm privy to Sony's plans for the headset going forward. But, one option I see for a PlayStation VR is that it becomes a blockbuster accessory that becomes essential to the platform moving forward. Compared to the other headsets, it's selling relatively well, and developers will feel that there's financial gains to be made creating content for the nascent medium and supporting it in its first few years of life. The signs so far are good. Here's hoping it doesn't end up on the same dusty shelf as the PlayStation Vita or Nintendo Wii. PlayStation VR. From everything I've seen and heard so far, both at trade shows and while talking to developers, there's a lot of excitement around virtual reality and PlayStation VR specifically. That lends itself to the idea that PSVR will continue to be well supported both by first-party developers and third-party publishers actively trying to make the platform succeed. I only mention the latter because it's not a completely uncommon scenario. We shell out for technology that we think could take off, only to be disappointed when it can't reach critical mass and developers abandon it. See, Microsoft's Kinect, 3D TVs and Betamax players. I guess what I'm trying to say is that there's probably a lot of potential here. Sony would hardly waste millions of dollars in R&D if there wasn't, and once we learn how to tap into it better by becoming native VR users, it's only going to get better. But, if you're scared to dive in head first, no one would shame you for waiting a few months to make sure developers are still on board before putting down your cash.